Yes, be ready. Start. I am glad to welcome you today to this conference full stop. As you are aware, our object is to discuss problems of universities with special reference to the improvement of standards and coordination of facilities for higher education full stop. It was my intention to call this conference in January, but on account of pressure of work, this could not be done full stop. The problem we have met to discuss is not new, though it has acquired a new urgency after the attainment of independence full stop. You are all aware that for the last 30 years or more there have been persistent and at times well founded criticisms of our universities full stop. The great increase in the number of students has been accompanied by a fall in the standard of attainment full stop. Ill equipped and ill trained graduates have increased the number of the unemployed full stop. Their indiscipline and lack of purpose have added to our difficulties at a time when the attainment of independence has posed great problems of reconstruction and development before the country full stop. It was in order to examine the existing defects and make recommendations for the remodeling of university education in conformity with the needs of free India that the Radhakrishnan Commission was appointed in 1948 full stop. Next anja. The commission made a careful survey of the entire field and made recommendations for necessary changes in the academic, financial and administrative setup of universities in the new context full stop. It redefined the aims and objectives of university education and placed special emphasis on the establishment of proper relations between the universities on the one hand and the central and state government on the other full stop. One of its basic recommendations was for the creation of a machinery for the most economic utilization of our existing resources by avoiding wastage or unnecessary duplication in the fields of higher study and research full stop. The problem of university education was also considered at the time when the Indian constitution was being framed full stop. There were detailed discussions as to whether university education should be made a central or a state responsibility full stop. The Radhakrishnan Commission had recommended that the all India aspect of university education, the repercussions and interchanges necessary and desirable between universities and the need or a national guarantee of minimum standard of efficiency required that university education should be a concurrent responsibility of the center and the states full stop. The commission had mentioned that coordination of facilities in special subjects be of the government's full stop. Next anja. The coordination of facilities in higher education and the maintenance of standard of university education is thus an exclusive central responsibility full stop. This makes it necessary for the government of India to take an immediate and direct interest in the affairs of all universities in order to ensure that the provisions of the constitution are carried out full stop. The government has considered the matter carefully and reached the conclusion that this responsibility cannot be discharged without the creation of an agency which would enable the government to carry out the necessary supervision and overall guidance, full stop, since this duty is an exclusive central responsibility, full stop, over.